a Scribble Scrubbies. Let's open this. And I got it from the mail box. That's right beside this bag. And I got 2 Scribble Scrubbies. So today we're just going to open up one. Because we don't want twins to get open. So open this up. And they're both the same, so yeah. Just open up one. We got a little kitty. And that's, yeah, a brush to brush them. We got 3 markers to color on them. Then we got a little weenie dog. So I got some water with me. And let's see what I'm gonna color them. So first up, I'm gonna start this cute little kitty. So the kitty, the kitty, I'm gonna use some green for the paws. My guys. I actually don't add it for the tummy. I'll show you guys when I'm done. I'm almost done. And look at the tummy. It's giving green. And this is my first time doing Scribble Scrubbies, and I ordered them from the mail. I asked my mom if I could buy them because my grandma Pat, which is actually my brother's grandma, she ordered these from Amazon for us because we were bending so good instead of got some on my finger. It's okay, they're washable. It's done. And then got this little green tummy. Okay, and then we don't need the blue inside the ears. It'll be a cute little kitty. Okay, down with the blue. Look at the blue ears. Okay. They can wash off the eyes, but next one for the yellow, I'm gonna add some yellow for the nose. Cute. Got a yellow nose, and then but I'm not gonna color the eyes. At the top, I think I'm just gonna color on like this, like blue, dark color, and blue. That's the don't color the arms too. Some on my hand. Okay, it's washable, so I can wash it off. Yeah, my pretty's looking pretty good. And finish with the body, and then I'm gonna save the tail for later. Actually, I'm not coloring the tail right now. I'm gonna color the tail in yellow. Cute little tail. Like I know how a little green hat. Oh, things on my face. It's okay. So we can probably wash up the skin. I took away the yellow nose. No, I guess I'll take a little dip. wipe it off. Okay, let's put big tips. This makes it more worse, but makes it more kind of like lighter too. Get the dress. Okay, but it's okay. We don't have a yellow nose. Let's get this yellow. Then I can probably come back. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now I can't. There we go. There's I'm done with my kitty. So I'm gonna wash it off right now. Get some water. This actually works. Too white. Now let's grab off the tum-tum with the yum-yum. Takes a while for it to go away, so just in a little bit. And this only one towel dry. Okay, so next let's do the doggy. I want to try to copy the picture of it, but I don't have no purple, so. But at least I have some yellow. I know there's no green on that design, but I'm just gonna make it my own. Okay, do this. Sit down. Okay, guys. So let's see. So no color. Maybe we'll make the yellow a yellow. No, green tail. With the green tail. Aquarine. Did they want to? Green tail. Okay, let me try to wash off the cat. Look, look how satisfying it would when you wash off the cat. We did more. Got a clean brush. Then let's wipe off. Looking lighter and wider. Let's put the kitty cat in there to give it a little bath too. Leave the kitty cat in there. I'm just gonna leave it inside of there. With the weenie dog. Yes, it's washable, so it can come off of my hand. Oh, sure. You can watch it instead of laundry, but okay. I think I'm gonna color in the pot. The back. Some yellow, and then color this one yellow. Yellow. Whoever knows how to say yellow in Spanish, tell me down in the comments down below. It looks like a cute little back. And we finished up with the outlining. Okay, let's try to get this color in at the bottom. Bottom. And hey guys, I'm gonna say inside the middle of the video, make sure to like and subscribe, or else a pig will come to your house and steal all your toys. But look, Yeah, I know what this color is. Azul. The Spanish people, they know what azul is. That's why they'll call it azul. Some English people know how to say blue in Spanish. Azul. Well, I just spoiled my little secret, but it's okay. Okay, and then coloring the ear. Not trying to turn some back, because we know how to come If y'all guys know what that song is from, tell me in the comments down below. But I know. Y'all guys need a guess. Tell me in the comments down below. I know the character of her, but just comment down below. And I want 1,000 subscribers, but this is my 5th video, so yeah, this is my 5th video. I never made a video because my mommy was pregnant and I stopped making videos. But now I make videos. Come to baby down post. Is that a room right now? I don't know if mom took him. She didn't went nowhere. She's setting up the little stroller for him. Okay, so let's color the other ear. Look at the first ear. Then I got the bottom and then toe. And then I color the other ear. Okay. I just got out of the bath too. So yeah. I brushed my teeth. Well, I didn't know the rules. What you do in the morning, everybody else knows. Y'all guys even know too. And kids, y'all guys should ask your parents to buy some Scribble Scrubbies because they're really fun, and this is my first Scribble Scrubby. So the video might call Abigail opening up her first Scribble Scrubby. That's a good video to call it. So cute. That's my dad. Let me see. And don't try to fill in this ear all the way in. But look, I got 2 ears now. They're filled in. And then I'm gonna add some green for the nose. Oh, the smile to see. That looks a cute smile, but I don't mind it. So then let's where's a cute little nose? That looks like a bunny. Now guys already have them. Give me a huge thumbs up. Smash that thumbs up button. And I don't need color in the box. I'm at the pause something. Okay, let me continue washing off. Let's lay it on the other side. That's why I need to be divorced a little bit, and then the dog can get divorced. Or if y'all guys want me to do another one, y'all guys can let me do another one of it. But, because I have 2. I'm gonna color in the bottom. Let's use blue. No, I use green, so I'm gonna use, no, not yellow, blue. like the paws. And I think I'm gonna color the dog polka dot. Okay, got it. Now it is time to do the polka dots. And we'll play outside. So yeah, it's warm outside today. And here, let me do some dots, some green dots, some nice green dots, some green dots, some green dots. It'll be like the 100 Dalmatian, but as green dots. A lot of green dots right now. This is gonna be a lot. Green dots and not any green stripes. And I got some at the butt. Green bottom. A little bit, I'm not got it almost done already. Okay, but I'm gonna show y'all guys how I wash the mouth. Let's see the kitty. It's getting nice and washed off. I got some water on this brush. I got my little cat. Let's brush that part got all white. This part didn't. I need some more water. And I need it to turn white again. Be careful for the bristles. Okay, it's getting all white. Whitenish out. This will take a while for this kitty to get clean. Ooh, on the back. A lot. Okay, I'm done. Nice clean cat. Okay, there's some on the side, so then now it's time for the dog bath. Okay, so they're getting cleaned off. Get cleaned off, dog. Okay, we don't need some help from the brush. Okay guys, this is it. This is it for the channel. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.